Good evening, all the students who are preparing for CAT 2025, slated to be in the month of November. This is another question which I have got from CAT 2022 paper. As I told you, in CAT you don't have to solve all the question. For example, in maths, if there are 22 questions in one particular section, even if you pick up 10 questions with 100% accuracy, which is difficult but not impossible, you will still get 98, 99 percentile. And that is what the objective is. You're not going to get gold medal if you solve all the question correctly. Your objective is to clear the cutoff. Now, this is a question which many people struggled, right? They told me that is any shortcut method for this. So let's try to understand. As I told you, CAT is a very logical exam. We'll ask you logical questions. Now, the question is consider 6 distinct natural number. Remember, number has to be distinct, at the same time has to be natural. And it is given that the average of the smallest two number is 14. That means there are two numbers and their average is 14. Just considering them equal for time being, then there are two more numbers and then there are two largest number, their average is 28 and 28, right? That means if I take the sum of these two is 56 and if I take the sum of these two is equal to 28. So I have to find out the maximum possible average of these two numbers, right? So I can do one thing, I can write this as, let's say 27, I can write this as 29. Just thing is that I just have to bring more numbers here which are as close to 27 as possible. Of course, I cannot write 27 here because 27 already taken. I cannot make this number more smaller. In that case, the average will become smaller. So this is the only possible solution which I get. The other number I can put 26 and 25. So if I take 26 and 25 and then I write this as, let's say 15 and let's say this as 13 because their sum is 28, which is very much acceptable. So I just have to focus on these two numbers, right? So 25 and 26 is one possible solution. Now you have to find out the average of all these numbers. Now you have to add them and then find out the average. I'll give you one more method. See, the sum average of all 6 numbers. So total of all these 6 numbers will be what? 23 into 6, which is 138. Out of 138, 28 plus 56 is already with you, which is equal to 84. So from 138, if I subtract 84, the other 4 numbers ka sum, this is 54. That means I am left with 54. And to write 54, I have to write 27 and 27. But numbers has to be distinct. So I cannot take 27 and 27. So if I reduce this number to, let's say 26, then this has to become 28. To maximize this, I can do this, right? But again, I cannot do this because 28 is already there. This number are not equal. So one number is, if I keep 28, this will be further. If I keep this number 27, this has to be 29 because numbers are distinct. So I have to keep them as close as possible. So here I cannot take 26 and 28. So this is option is gone, right? If I make this 25, this has to become 29. So I'm going out of this number, right? So anything 26, 28 not possible, 27 not possible, not possible. So that means this option is gone. Any option greater than 23 is also gone. So this is also gone. This is also gone. So the only possible solution is 22.5. And even if you keep this, this also gives you 22.5. Now this is an actual CAT question. Understand, it's not a difficult exam. You need to know the concepts properly. Thank you.